Naku, Diyos ko, ang mangga. Ay, ang mangga-mangga guys. Oh, nakita ninyo ang mangga na ito. Ayan guys, oh, nakita ninyo yan. Pakwan, ang cute nila guys. Yun naman ang melon. Ay, ang big ko talaga ito guys. Ayan. 10 ang isa guys. 10 ang isa, hindi kalakihan. Maliliit siya guys. Mahal. Hello guys. Good afternoon. Please welcome back to my channel, Beauty Lupis. Please come and watch my video, beautiful friends, beautiful people, sweet friends. Come on. Ito tayo guys. Our videos for today is to prepare our fruits para sa ating pagla-live. Ayan, na-slice ko na ang melon sinta guys. Melon sinta, yan. Matamis talaga. Matamis guys. Yan. Tapos isang dragon fruits. Ayan, matamis din siya. At saka isang apple. Mayroon tayong 4 na apple. Kaya lang, isa lang. Kasi hindi maganda kung hindi maubos na, nabalatan na. Okay lang yung mangga na mabalatan na hindi makain kaagad. Yan. Ilagay naman natin sa ref. Ito guys, ang ating fruits for tonight. Yan, nabalatan ko na ang mangga guys. Yan. Yan naman yung apple. Dito ko naman ilagay yung dragon fruits. Yan. Oh, yan. Wow. Ang sarap nito guys. Oh, look. Marakunig na siya guys. Ayan. Ang mangga. Yan na. I-slice ko na ang mangga. Ayun. Masarap siya guys. Manipis ang buto-buto niya. Ayan. Nipis. Yan. Ayan guys. Next naman ang apple. Mayroon din akong cucumber pa dyan. Kaya lang next na lang kasi masyadong marami na ito. Ayan. Ay. Watch my video guys. Yummy fruits. Agad na rin. Ito na rin yung apple guys. Yan yung apple. Trimming down. Kunin ko na rin yung isa kong cucumber dyan para minsanan. Ayan. Itong ating fruits guys. Please watch my video. Yan na ang dragon fruits. Yan. Yan din ang cucumber. Yan. Slicein na rin natin sila guys. Para minsanan na. Mamili na lang tayo dyan kung anong kakainin natin. Yan. Na-slice ko na sila. Yan. Ito na ang dragon fruits. Matamis siya guys. Ito naman yung cucumber. Very crunchy rin itong apple guys. Yan. Crunchy and sweet. Manga is sweet. And melon is sweet. All is sweet and yummy. Yan guys. Ito ang ating handa sa ating pagla-live. Yan. Come on. Yummy. Watch my video guys. Thank you. Mega love shout out all friends, beautiful friends, good friends, sweet friends, and please come and watch my video. Thank you. At ito naman guys, ang ating imported na water plants. Yan guys. Ang ating imported na water plants. Ayan. May nagbigay guys, 3 tangkay. 3 tangkay talaga guys. Ayan. Ang lalaki ng kanyang dahon. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan guys. Ay. 3 tangkay talaga yan guys. Ayan. Oh, isa. Yan. Nilabog natin. Ay, tanggalin muna natin sa may tubig. Ayusin natin. Yan. Ang lalaki ng kanilang dahon, guys. Yan. Ito ang isa. Yan. Natupi na yung kanya leaves niya. Tapos ito ang isa. Yan ang lalaki ng dahon, guys. Oh, yan. At ito naman ang isa. Yan. Ito ang ating bagong plants. Yan. Ay, masira yung dahon niya. Yan, guys. Fresh na fresh siya. Ito natupi. Nilagay kasi sa plastic. Yan. Yan. Ito ang ating imported na water plants. Yan. Oh, yeah. At ito naman ang ating imported. Imported din. Ito, guys, imported na tulips. Ayan. Ayan. Ay. Delikado. Baka mahulog. Ayan, guys. Ang bulaklak natin. Ayan. Ang ating flowers. Ayan. Oh, yeah. This was my flowers, guys, and my water plant. Ayan. Ito ang ating tulip. Please watch my video, friends in YT all over the world. Ayan na sila. Ayan. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Fresh na fresh yung water plant ko, guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Mega love shout out. Please watch my video, guys. Stay connected. Stay sweet. Friends in YT. Bye-bye.
Let's try, guys. Let's try. It's wonderful to see you once again, to see your smile here and call my name. There is so much to say. Hey, is it an accidental that we live? Your love is something that I can't forget. So I wander your way. Hey, if one of us will try to drive the peace, tomorrow is there will be mistakes. Let us live for today. Hey, although we play the game of love and lose, I wouldn't change the same thing because if you lose, you must pay. It's true, I had too many other loves to share, but I will close my eyes and you'll be there. No matter where I go or everywhere, if you come back to me and see how much I care, I only want to leave stay. Don't let me spend another day alone. Remember all the happiness we've known. Let's relive yesterday. Hey, with no new word of loneliness and pain, we'll never make the same mistakes again. May if only you stay. It's true, I had so many other loves to share, but I will close my eyes and you'll be there. No matter where I go or everywhere, if you come back to me and see how much I care, I only want to live if you are there. To be with you I travel everywhere. It's true, I had so many other loves to share, but I will close my eyes and you'll be there. No matter where I go or everywhere. Oh yeah. More please.